Copy the background. Select Rectangle tool. Hold the Shift key and draw a square. Drag from the left corner to make rounder edges. Click on the Align tool and position the square in the center. Select the background. Effect. Then Blur. Then Gaussian Blur. Fix radius to 45. Select both shape and background. Right-click on the mouse and select Make Clipping Mask. Right-click on the mouse, then paste in back. Now you can barely see a glass effect. Select Gradient. Click on the gradient. Click the right selector on the gradient. Select White. Select 50% opacity for right side. Drag left point to bit middle. Select 10% opacity for left side. Select Fill Color. Click on the gradient bar. It will automatically apply the gradient. Then select the appearance. You can now see a white glow on the right side. Select Square and select FX. Select Style, then drop Shadow. Change opacity to 25%. Fix X offset to -7. Press OK. Let's create a clock number. Select Text tool. Left mouse button click on the shape, then you can see a word. Use Selection tool and make it bigger. Double-click the left mouse button and select the word. Then type clock number. Select the Line tool and fix it to middle. Press the Shift key plus right mouse key. Hold it and drag from the right top corner. Press the Alt key plus right mouse key. Hold it and drag from the top middle. Now it looks big and nice. Right mouse button click and select Create Outlines. Then select again the gradient icon and select gradients for both fill color and outline. It will apply the previous settings. Then go to Effects, then Stylize, then Drop Shadow. Fix blur to 10px. Opacity to 10%. Select OK. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe, comment, and share. See you in next video.